What is up, guys? Mr. Tempsay here, and today I'm just gonna show you how I make a nice starburst effect like some of these right here. Tech game, nice website, pretty fun. You see the starburst effect better there, right? Yeah, I made all these. So I'm just gonna show you how to do that today. If you would not mind subscribing, I'm trying to get big. Just want to get known. Right? Well, let's get started. Just create a new document, 500 by 500, and do what your main code is going to be. Pick a color that you want from this range of colors, or put in a code that you know that you like. Alright, I'm gonna go with light blue, my favorite color, so kind of dark blue, and then you're gonna take your paint bucket and fill. Okay. Well, that's to start off. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to brusheasy.com and you're gonna search Starburst, and you're just gonna click this one and download it. And now I'm just gonna choose just a little bit of a darker color, like that. And look into our font center. Alright guys, well, that's the Starburst effect. You can do this with any color. It looks beautiful. And it took all of what, 3 minutes? Subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.